Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb for On Gardening. You know, one of the things that's basic to gardening is sand. And sand, of course, it's great in that it's relatively sterile. It's easy to use as a potting mix. Most of your soils will have a certain consistency of sand in it. And this, of course, is what you want to get, a good builder sand, or this sand I happen to buy at a local nursery. Now, you can use washed builder sand if you wish. It'll work fine. There's not much in sand, but there's not much wrong with it normally either. And we talk about problems. We've talked about bacteria, nematodes, weed seeds that often get in some of your backyard soil. If you get a good washed builder sand, you've got something that's relatively sterile to start off with. Remember that the sand lets good air movement and it lets water move through your soil pretty well. And that's important. If you don't have good drainage, your plant will probably die. Also, of course, inversely, if it gets too dry, it can die as well. Sand is one consistent part of having a good soil. Remember to pick up a good sterile soil at your local nursery. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.